I've just been showing them the eye smell. It's your brother chopping it that makes a few.
It's popular.
Yeah.
Fiesta because there's a lot of people buy they need.
He'll be making about 200% profit on that, won't he? It's like, would it be like 5 pesos a kilo that he's paid for it? Because he's selling for 15, isn't he?
Magkano ang ano, uy ang ice cube per kilo? 15 per kilo. 15 per kilo.
Yeah, no, but they didn't pay that, did they? Do you know how much?
One sack of 150. 150
One sack of
How many kilos?
40, 50.
50 kilos. Well, yeah, that's 5 pesos a kilo then, isn't it? If my head's screwed on. So this is your cousin, isn't it? And your best friend. Is this your best friend?
She's been in the clinic yesterday.
Talaga? Why? Okay. Why she been to the clinic?
Visit. No, before when you got.
Oh, you mean to visit you? Oh, I thought there was something wrong with her. Oh. So that's her little daughter. Look at how cute she is. She's beautiful. She's a little sweetie. There's some lovely kids here. Baby, you do have to speak up because the camera can't pick you.
House, my mom.
This is yeah, she's trying to say that this is her mum's old house. This is where they stay, because obviously the house we're staying in is her mum and dad's house, and they're just letting us stay there because they don't really want to, because the shop's just here. They don't want to be staying at the house. So I think that's later on for when they retire, to be honest, isn't it, Mo? But I don't think her mother will retire, do you? She loves the shop too much. You know, I'm mentioning the shop, and I can do it in front of Mel because we have discussed this. And people mention about the Sari-sari stores. That you don't make any money at it, Mel, do you? And it's really hard work. It's 24/7. Yeah, and her mum's got less and less help now because Mel's not at the shop anymore. She helps out sometimes a little bit, not so much since she got pregnant. That's her sister, and she's always in Iriga with her husband. Ives isn't at the shop anymore, so they've lost 3 people there, which has put more pressure on her mum, her dad, and her younger brother. And you know, for example, if say you, who I'm talking to now, and your partner or wife took a Sari-sari store, you couldn't do anything else. You know, 24/7 in the store. Then you've got to be renewing your stock every other day, if not every day, depending on how busy your store is. You know, and unless you sell food, you're not going to make anything, are you, Mel? Because you're literally just making a peso on an item, on a lot of items, apart from the cigarettes and the alcohol, isn't it? The rest of the stuff, it's just there to get people to come to the shop, basically, because it's hardly worth stocking. Ano daw?
She asked me if you're Catholic. I said no, we're Methodist, right?
Asking if I have colleague? No, I know, I'm only messing.
She asked me what's the religion or what they do.
He will be atheist. No, I'm joking. Mel wants him to be Catholic. That's fine. Apparently, and I don't know how true it is because I've asked a few people, and I don't know if they don't know or if they don't understand or whatever, but Mel said to me a while ago that if they're not christened, then they can't go to school, and I just don't understand that, and I've not been able to find out if that's true or not. So if anybody knows out there,
Some of the schools, they want
baptism certificate. Well, that's discriminating as well, isn't it, against kids, and
Especially in private.
you know, I mean, I'm not an atheist. You know, I'm Methodist, but I'm not a practicing Methodist, and I haven't been since I went to Sunday school, and that was a Catholic Sunday school because my dad was Catholic. But I'm one of these that believe that the child should get to an age where they can decide if they want to be, you know, in any kind of religion, whatever. I don't think it's right for a mum and dad to impose a religion or certain thought on the kids, apart from right and wrong and all that, you know. But that's just my personal opinion, you know. I'm sure everybody else has a different opinion on the subject. Here you are, look, ice candy.
Looks like it's foggy.
All he does is he'll give a little cry, and it's not even a irritating cry, it's a sweet cry that I'm hungry, mummy, or I need changing, mummy. And then as soon as Mel's done that, or I've fed him or whatever, then he goes straight back to sleep.
Look the shirt.
Yeah. Now, when Filipinos are pregnant, they pin these to the bellies. Yeah, it's a tradition. And what's it supposed to be for? For the spirit. Whatever that means, I don't know. But he's changing every day. And I don't know. I hope he doesn't have a nose as big as mine. He's sweet. There you go. What did I tell you? I've said I'll go and have a drink with them. What can I say? I'm weak. But the karaoke's playing. I will get shut down.
Suddenly the madness starts.
Right, this is part of the UKIM family, and is there any friends here, or your family? Whole family? Yeah. All the UKIM family, and like I said, I've been talked into having a drink, so I'm going to have a little drink. We're just going to pause for a minute because I don't want to get my channel shut down. So I've come for a drink with my family. How long are you going to be here? Are you going to be late drinking tonight, or is it just this morning? Tomorrow as well? Oh my God.
This one.
Yeah. Well, he celebrates every day. I'm getting a cuddle. That's it. That's good. So, what kind of fish is this? Dito. I'm no further forward, but this is duck, and is that lemongrass? Yeah. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and I think your brother's famous for cooking. Yeah, that's the famous brother for cooking. He's excellent cook. Yeah. Thank you. So we're gonna have a drink, and then later a bit of karaoke. But I'm just telling my subscribers that I can't put the karaoke on here because YouTube will shut my videos down. So I have to do it with no music. I just wanted in a minute. I just wanted to ask, is it like tradition that just the men get together, or does the women and the men get together? Do you understand? Do you understand? The men seem to get together on their own, no women. Is that tradition? Yeah.
No, man. No woman.
Ah, yeah. Yeah. The women and the men are separate in the Philippines. You'll find there's a group of women and there's a group of men, or there's groups of different men, but they're never together when they're celebrating. Which in the UK, the women and the men are together. They're not separate. So different culture. Yeah. Ui. Right. The night is drawing in.
Yeah.
And everybody's happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Yeah. Everybody has plenty of food and plenty to drink.
Your dad's some red horse. Your dad.
We've got lots of red horse.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say I can crash a party. This is not our house, but look, I'm gonna go in. So these are the younger people, look. These are all the younger people. Say hello. No, I've had some. I see, I've just come into this house. I've not been invited and I've been offered food straight away. Say hi. Hi. There you go. So you can see it's getting darker. All the kids are absolutely having a great time. And these are the guys. We've all been drinking and having a good time. Are you having a good time, guys? Yes! So the night is still young, but it's getting too dark where I can take video. So again, I know I've done a thank you video. Sorry, not I. We have done a thank you video. And I want to thank everybody for all the kind comments and the congratulations for us having the baby. And you don't really know how much we really appreciate it. We really do. And I want to thank all our subscribers. I want to thank definitely our patrons for helping us. It really makes a big difference. Thank you so much. And that's it till the next video. I don't think there's more I can say. This is real Filipino day-to-day life. Hi girls. Yeah, look at that, you see, we've got a smile at least. So, until the next video, bye for now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping